didn't see you. My bad. Anyway, today I have a little video for you. I went and got something from Scent Splits. Just one fragrance. Because I wanted to try it, and it's quite an expensive fragrance. So if you want me to unbag this, see what I got, and test it out right in front of you, keep on watching. And we're just going to jump right into it. But I did get the bigger size of it. I think I got the 9 amount. So I hope I like it. Yeah, I got the 9 amount. And the fragrance I got was Rouge Smoking. Whoa. Relax, relax, relax. Whoa. I found them. So I'm gonna grab one. Let's talk about it real quick. Vanilla, sweet, powdery, amber, cherry, musk, almond, woody, I'm guessing, and balsamic. The top notes are cherry, pink pepper, and bergamot, which sounds lovely. It's giving me bubbly, kind of like gourmand cherry scent. Black vanilla, heliotrope, and orange blossom are the middle notes. I don't think I have a fragrance with black vanilla in it. Don't quote me, but I don't think I do. And the base notes are tonka bean, cashmere wood, white musk, ambroxan, labdanum, and violet. I'm excited for this. This is one of the reasons why I bought it, just looking at the nose.
It seems like a safe bet, but we'll see, because cherry can be a little funny for me sometimes. So yeah, let's see.
Okay, so, I like it. Why, oh why? Here goes another spray. I'm not sure if it's me or if it's just really soft. Very powdery. Very powdery. What's going on with my nose today? It's powdery. I like it. It's nice. It's powdery. How many times did I say it's powdery? Boy, oh boy. It's sweet. It's not a very strong, booming type of scent. Okay. Okay, it's definitely not a booming type of scent. It's definitely a close encounters type of scent. Soft, but it definitely is like an attractive smell. I sprayed La Petite Robe Noire because this is a cherry powdery type of scent to me, which is what this is kind of giving me. This is definitely for close encounters. I actually really like this. Every time the more I smell it, the more I like it. Actually, it's a little, am I getting like a smoky note? No. No, ma'am. Oh, ma'am. And if you've never heard anyone mention that before, listen, everybody knows different. Does anyone have Rouge Smoking or like a decant of Rouge Smoking? This is not lovely. This was $30 for this decant of 9 ml. I actually really like this. It's just really soft. It's really, I don't have a scent of the day on today. So let's just go ahead. Boom. See, this is why I can't be bothered. Do you see this? Oh, okay. It's definitely smoky. It is called Rouge Smoking though. I'm surprised smoky is not it's smoky, it's sweet, it's powdery. I'm going to be very honest with you. The cherry is not as strong as I thought it was going to be, especially with it being an accord and a note. I just poured two more sprays of Love Petite Robe Noir because I want a little more of the cherry to come out. But this, oh, no. Did I just find an epic combination? This is smelling really good. Because La Petite Robe Noir is a powdery cherry. Quite strong. I actually typically mix it with Guess Seductive Red. Guess Seductive Red is a cherry fragrance as well, but it gives more of a brighter, more fun, kind of sexy, but like in a flirty type of way, type of smell. Sensual. I'm really loving this smoky note in Rouge Smoking. This is very lovely. It's just really close to the skin. I think it's a really great layering piece. Or if you go ahead and like at home, like if you're gonna have a close encounter, if you're gonna have a little, if you're gonna be a little, you know, with your partner, your significant other. Is this worth $190? That's a lot of money. It would be smarter, right? Money-wise, to just get the big bottle. But $190 is a lot to upfront. So I think I'm going to actually... I really like this. I wonder... I feel like it is smoky, but because it's soft, I think you can most definitely wear it in the springtime. I really like this. Date night. Oh, I really like this. I've been missing my smoky fragrances, but it's not hot, but it's like it bounces between like 60 to 70 something degree weather, which is kind of warm. Oh my gosh, and it's giving me the smoky without it being too strong. So I think it's definitely safe in the springtime. Oh, this is lovely. This is really lovely. This is very lovely. I think I'm actually going to bring this with me on my trip, because it's a warmer climate and I'm gonna see how it does in even warmer weather, and maybe not nighttime, maybe just nighttime. Oh, this is so lovely. Did you notice? Okay, so at first I was like, this is really light. I feel like when you're paying buku money, right, for a fragrance, let me just get close, because you know, when you're paying buku money for a fragrance, I just feel like it should really present itself like, hey, what's up, hello, yes, I'm in your nose, I am all over, yes, so you know, like, I just feel like it should do a lot because it's a lot of money. However, this might be changing my mind on that a little bit. This is very nice. I would suggest try this. And if you have any other cherry fragrances, I think they're going to mix really well with this. If you have any powdery fragrances you want to add like a smoky cherry note, I would add this. I'm going to say this is a big success, thank goodness, because the video before this was a fail. So yeah, let me know what you think of Rouge Smoking by BDK Parfums. I really, actually, truly love the bottle. I wish I could say I'm going to have the bottle one day. I don't know. I would have to catch that thing at like $150. That thing would be like a, I don't know what percentage discount that would need to be, but it's like it's a $200 bottle. So that, but it smells really good. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this whole video. Let me know what you think of Rouge Smoking, and hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.